where many of the celebrities knowingly are evading tax on these luxury imported cars. Bimal, would you want to give us a sense on why aren't these celebrities who have enough and more money to shell on the car are not going that last mile to spend on that tax? Yeah, go on.
So this is not correct, Nabila. In case import duty leviable, then being celebrity, they should be lead by example, and they must discharge the duties and taxes as applicable. In case they are not discharging, try to understand it's a non-bailable offense under Customs Act. So if amount of duty evaded more than 50 lakh rupees, they are liable for imprisonment up to 7 years. They will pay up the duty, interest, and penalty equivalent of evaded duty amount. So, to my mind, why this evasion and why at the celebrity level is a big question mark. From my side, looks like those who are celebrity, they should lead by example and do comply the provision and pay the taxes.
What are the loopholes, if I could ask you, the loopholes that are allowing for these people to actually evade taxes, loopholes in the customs and RTO coordination, and this whole Bhutan racket ring, if you have an idea on that. How are these cars being sent to India? Luxury cars sent to India, fake number plates until they're actually registered in certain states. How come those states' RTOs are not looking through the documentation enough? How are they not spotting the errors?
Nabila, you rightly picked up. See what happened when it is being routed through Bhutan and that to neighboring state, then they are taking the easiest route, hand in gloves, they are mixed up. And that is how they are, hiding these information. So this is going on as a racket. It is going on from Bhutan to India border and then coming to Indian state. And then from any particular Himachal Pradesh, as you referred, then from Himachal Pradesh registration is being done. Even the RTO authority also get it to hand in glove. So some racket, organized racket is working for it. They are getting these car in Bhutan first, then transporting to Himachal Pradesh, and then getting registered in Himachal Pradesh and then transporting to other state. And that too they are doing in the name of local car. They are not saying it is imported car. They are not declaring correct value. They are not correctly declaring origin of goods as well. Under import, if you look at custom law, origin of goods need to be declared. So when evasion is happening as a racket, which you rightly picked up, it is going on hand in gloves. All the authorities are mixing up together and then doing this evasion at a large scale, which is not correct for the nation.
No, my only question is, do you think these celebrities are not aware of it, of this racket? When they buy these cars, you think they're aware of this? Or
I
they're
can't,
being...
I can't say that whenever who is purchasing the car, he must be paying the price for it, Nabila. So when you are paying the price, you must be knowing what is the incidence of taxes as on date. Just I'm drawing your attention. Let's say if you are purchasing luxury car of 50 lakh rupees, then there's 70% custom duty, 70%, which work out to be 35 lakh, then 10% social welfare surcharge, which is calculated on custom duty. So it is 3.5 lakh. And then you got the GST component, IGST. So until 21st of September 2025, 28% IGST rate was leviable on CIF, cost, insurance freight, basic custom duty, and social welfare surcharge, and then compensation cess of 22%. So 50% coming from IGST perspective. So if you look at 50 lakh rupees car, total duties and taxes is 82.75 lakh, and the landed value becomes 1.33 crore. So if this is the fact and figures known to everyone, if they are purchasing the car and paying the lesser value,
They should know that there's something off. Yeah.
there's of course quite implied, and they must be. And believe me, they must take a note of it. It is non-bailable offense, imprisonment up to 7 years, and they will end up paying the duties, taxes, interest at the rate of 15% from the due date payable till the date of payment, and then penalty equivalent of amount of duty evaded. So I do not know. These fact and figures is known from the custom perspective. They are getting luxury car. If they don't know what are duties and taxes leviable, what price they are paying for it, then to my mind looks like something is hanky.
I mean, yeah, they can't be so oblivious to the prices of the market and the price that they're paying.